Good morning, this is All India Radio Kohima, the morning news read by Nabin Pradhan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a meeting with top officials yesterday to review the progress of vaccination and COVID situation in the country. During the meeting, officials gave a detailed presentation to the Prime Minister on the progress of vaccination in the country. The Prime Minister expressed satisfaction at the rising speed of vaccinations and stressed that it is important to carry this momentum forward. The officials also informed him that they are in touch with the state governments to explore and implement innovative methods to reach people for vaccination. Modi spoke about the need to involve NGOs and other organizations in such efforts. The Prime Minister directed officers to work with the states to ensure that the pace of testing does not go down, as testing remains a very important weapon to track and contain the rising infections in any region. Along with the rest of the world, Nagaland observed International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking yesterday under the theme Share Drug Facts, Save Lives. On the occasion, a virtual panel discussion was jointly organized in Kohima by Social Welfare Department, State Level Coordinating Agency, Kripa Foundation and Federation of India NGOs for Drug Abuse Prevention Nagaland Chapter. Participating in the discussion, Assistant Director, Social Welfare Department, Wango Langsim, said that drug use, which is prevalent mostly in urban areas, have already penetrated to the rural areas of the state. Expressing concern over drug use in Nagaland, he said his department is the nodal department to facilitate and address primary prevention and demand reduction. Langsim also said that a committee of concerns headed by the state Chief Secretary has been formed to coordinate and implement the Nagaland Substance Abuse Prevention and Treatment Policy 2016. Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Thawarchand Gehlot yesterday launched the website for the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan on the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Addressing the occasion, Gehlot said, according to the National Comprehensive Survey conducted by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, there are more than 60 million drug users in the country, of which a large number of users are in the age group of 10 to 17 years. He said the activities of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, despite the situation arising out of COVID-19 in the country, have continued in full force. The Union Minister urged that the common man must become a part of Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign, since the menace of drug abuse can be eradicated from the society only with people's participation. The Directorate of School Education has reminded heads of all educational institutions in Nagaland to ensure compliance of its earlier directives within the stipulated time. The directive includes registration of all teachers, including school heads, at the Teachers app, updating complete school details at the School Monitoring Portal, and submitting daily activity report on the School Monitoring Portal before 4 p.m. on all working days. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Manki bhatt program on All India Radio at 11 a.m. today. It will be the 78th episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of All India Radio and Doordarshan, and also on All India Radio News website www.newsonair.com and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of All India Radio, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. All India Radio will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional languages versions will be repeated at 8 this evening. And as the nation gears up for the free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years, we advise our listeners to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard, as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out, and continue to follow these 4 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene, and get vaccinated. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075, and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. And that's all the news we have for you this morning. Have a nice day.